This is the remote for this fan. Hold on. Hold on, I'm almost done. So.
I gotta get my shit. I'm so over all this. These towels and these will cover in plants.
It's not gonna come out.
So put all in the washing machine and leave. Yeah,
I'll wash them for you. We just have to.
do whatever.
Oh, I've been wanting to see
I got a Sega Genesis out of cardboard, and I use that as a box TV.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, dude.
Hold on, one time. Still trying to get the videos.
I need to go drink a drink. You need something to drink? You got 30 seconds?
No, yeah, I got beer and truck.
There's speed 2.
Nah, I don't need that. Nah.
Watch out.
I'm good. I don't drink that shit. I get angry.
Almost done, okay? Speed 3. Alright, speed 4. I'm on speed 4. Speed 5.
It's gotten a little bit faster.
Alright, now speed 6.
That American flag, it needs to come down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, now off. Alright, thanks for watching.